I'm Miles Roberts. I'm here as a patient of Dr. Dyal's. I actually teach very close to her offices at Cal State University, Sacramento. I'm a professor there. How did I find Dr. Dyal? I was referred by my periodontist. Periodontist said, she's pretty good. And I came in because I had had some regular bridges in my mouth before, the Maryland bridges, the little flaps that they glue to the back of your teeth, which aren't particularly good bridges, but they get by. And then I got actually mugged one time and some critical teeth got missing. So my periodontist said, go see Dr. Dyal, the prosthodontist, and so here I am. I had the full upper and lower implant-supported dentures done. So it's dentures that kind of get clipped onto your jaw on the little pegs they put in. The oral surgeon puts pegs in your jaw, and then they make a bridge that fits on top of it, which has worked really well. Like I said, it's not a cheap experience, but as Dr. Dyal once said, these are the teeth you'll be using for the rest of your life. So that was pretty convincing. So, and I must say they've really done perfectly well. The whole process took almost 6 months, as I recall, 5 or 6 months. It takes a while. You have to make molds of your teeth and all that kind of stuff, and your gums, and very carefully craft the pieces. But when you get them, these guys have worked like a champ for years now. I can eat anything, like nuts and steaks or anything like that. I can chew things because they just work like your regular teeth. So I'm really kind of pleased with them. Let's see. And I thought I'd say Dr. Dyal, a couple words about her. She's a highly professional and a fun lady too, and just did a real good, really empathetic type of person. Did a real good job with the whole deal, as far as I'm concerned, and showed a lot of care for the patients. And it was just a great medical experience. I can't disagree. I'd recommend it to anybody in a shot. For what it's worth, by the way, she's a fine craftsman. The periodontist, Dr. Lee, I know, when he inspected the final job that Dr. Dyal done, he told me there's only a couple people in the Sacramento area that could have done that. He goes, it's on your. And also, one time I went to a dentist in Florida, where my mom lives. I was down there, and just because I had a cracked tooth or something. And the guys looked at this dental work, and they actually called his associate dentist from the other room, from another appointment, and said, "You got to see this." And he's holding my dentures right in his hand. I go, look at this, and they're both looking like they go, this is like some kind of a museum. They go, this is like perfect work, like a really fine jewel. They go, this is amazing work. Like they'd never seen it ever before that good. And these were a couple of dentists in Gainesville, Florida, that were pretty good guys. Had a whole practice, and they actually called people in to look at these teeth, going, this is how it should be done. So like I say, a real professional experience all in all, and I'd recommend Dr. Dyal to anybody at all. But these things look pretty good. You can see it right there, and they work real well too, and I couldn't be happier with it. If you ever want to talk more about it, I'm Dr. Miles Roberts at Sac State University. Easy enough to find my email. Send me a phone number. I'll call you if you like. I'd be glad to do that. And that's all I have to say.